So, okay na ba ang tanan? May buntag kayo ninyo kaysa networking business, wala ba yatay, may gabi o may hapon. So, kita ka na, naginastorya permanente is tayong buntag. Anyways, good morning guys! Good morning! So, dire lang kagapit ha. By the way, I'm Krishna Jane Kasauran. I am from Bicol City, Davao del Sur. So bago lang inaabot diri kagahapon lang jud to support our Surigao team. So I am one of the core leaders here in the Philippine team for Super Great International. So nakoy mga kauban diri they are also not from Surigao. They're also from Davao and some are from Surigao. So later on, i-introduce namin sa inyo kung sino-sino yung magiging leaders nyo na rightful leaders mong tatawagin na pupuntahan nyo later on if in case naintindihan nyo ang aming presentation ceremony. So guys, again, I'm Krishna. I'm a nurse by profession, but I never worked as one since 2008. But I'm presently working in our own company, our realty team, our realty field, together with my business partner, my dad. We have our own realty firm in Bicol City that is being held in Davao del Sur. And also, they are here to support the Surigao team. So right now, I saw a great opportunity in this kind of field in the industry. I had a chance to meet one of the big names in the networking industry, and this very prominent person is being named as Shafi Tai. Sino ba nakakakilala kay Mr. Tai? Wala pa po ba? Wala pa po. So Mr. Tai, are you there? Oh, he's here. Can you show up the slide for the board members? The BOT. Oh, isugod na akong COO. Sorry. So guys, let me introduce to you our BOD, our Board of Directors for Super Great International Company, found in Malaysia. So, let me introduce to you Mr. Captain Lakman Helmi Ali. This person, guys, this one. So, he is in the 20 years of network marketing, a retired military officer, captain in rank, trained more than 100,000 networkers, and he has great leadership. And he has also a powerful business connections, not just in the Philippines, but for the entire world. Also, let me introduce to you the person in here whom you see in black, our COO, the co-founder of Super Great International. Let me call him Mr. Shafi Tai. Can you just please give him a warm applause? Give him a warm applause, guys. So, Mr. Shafi Tai is 15 years in network marketing. He is an IT system analyst profession. Started the business since 14 years old. Isipin nyo, sino ba naman nag-business sa atin dito? While we are just 14 years old. And he is a Malaysian Chinese. So, hindi siya mukhang Malaysian talaga, right? Kita Pilipino at diba, hindi na rin siya nakutis. And also, he trained more than 50,000 leaders around the world, not just in the Philippines. Kasi later on, we will discuss, it's not just the Philippines ang meron tayo for SGI. So we will discuss how many countries na ang na-round up nila ang na-hire for this Super Great International Company. So the last one, Mr. Eddie Idres, the Chief Development Officer. He is in 25 years in network marketing. Very experienced in element management. Trained more So, can you please give them a round of applause? Thank you. So, again, our company is being named as Super Great International. Together with Mr. Shafi Kai today, we also have our core leaders here in Super Great International. Everyone, can you please welcome us together with our leaders here in our Super Great International event. We have Mr. Jeffrey Ahon at the back. Sir, can you please stand? Say hi to everyone. Okay. So we have Mrs. Miguela Casauran. She is from Vigo City, Davao del Sur. We have this Mr. Peter Ganaire. He is from Davao City also. And yours truly, I am Krishna Jane Casauran from Davao del Sur. So we also have Miss Evangeline Compania from Davao City. And Mr. Rene Boy Galilao from Surigao City. There's Sir Boy. Ma'am Arlene Galilao, the wife of Sir Boy. Hi, Ma'am Arlene. And we have Mr. Christian Polido. Sir Christian, there. We also have Sir Albert Go, there. From Davao City also. Mr. Rodel Quirot, are you there? Yes. Rodel Quirot is from Korean, Davao City also. Mr. Salvador Abelia, are you there? Okay, sir. And Ma'am Lorna Abelia. They are the couple from Surigao City. So guys, good morning everyone again. It's our very pleasure to welcome you all so dearly today in our prestigious networking ceremony held by Super Great International. Thank you everyone for giving your precious time and to be here and to be with us to celebrate this kind of ceremony. We are so excited to have this opportunity to connect with you all. Today's ceremony is focused only on building valuable relationships and exchanging ideas within this kind of partnership. Again, we will have an ample time all throughout the day, so sit back, enjoy, and kindly feel free to manage and engage your fellow attendees. Okay lang ba everyone? To tap the shoulder to the people beside you. And inamin nyo, paminaw mo ha? Eh basi po sabay yung kadato aning kalamiha. Okay lang ba? Pwede ba namin makita? Paminaw mo. Para mo sabay yung kadato. Kaya kung hindi na ninyo pahatod kasi dito po sabay yung kadato sa isang isa. So, well, we'll have a few presentations after this. And in regards to the Super Great Company, we will thank you all for being here and don't forget to smile. Okay lang ba makita na nakasmile kayo lahat?
Smile!
Pero hindi sila masaya. Okay lang ba kayo guys? Masaya ba kayo nandito kayo? O kami lang ba ang masaya na nandito kayo? Actually, we are really happy and blessed na nandito kayo in front of every one of us. Kasi alam namin how precious your time is sa pagpunta dito. And I hope na sa pagpunta niyo dito, you welcome us with a warm heart. So everyone, again, thank you and let's get started. So let our discussion begin. Excited na ba lahat? Yes. Hala, kahinay. At sa kaya kanina, kahinay. Paano ba yun sa Surigao? Excited na ba lahat? Yes! Again, excited na ba lahat? Yes! Okay, thank you. Parang kalit lahat. So, let me call in Jake for another announcement.
Sino yung Jake?
Ah, Jake Kera.
Okay, thank you so much. Madam